Hello everyone, this is Dom, and in this video we are going to talk about how to control the permissions that users have in your workspace. So in order to control permissions for users, we need to go into the Workspace Settings. So we'll click that little gear icon right there, and then we go into Users, and as you can see we have a number of users in here. I happen to be the owner of this workspace, so I have the ability to make changes to permissions. Um, However, people who are admins should also have permission to make changes to permissions within a workspace. Now, when I say permissions, this stuff right over here is what I'm talking about. Can they publish to the channels? Can they respond? Can they engage with the public? So um, let's see. Who do I want to take privileges away from? I think maybe let's go with Tim. Let's take some stuff away from Tim. Um, oh, darn, I can't. He's a super user. Gah! I'm going to pick somebody who's not a super user. Adam. Sorry, Adam. So you can, darn it, he's an admin. I made it an admin. So I can switch him to contributor. Save. And let's see, where's Adam at? All right, Adam. There we go. Limited member. Okay. So if I want somebody to not have specific abilities, you want to change them to a limited member. And then you can make some choices here. Engage permissions. What do you want them to be able to engage with? Now you can customize. Do you want them to be able to engage on Facebook? Okay. You choose the Facebook account that they can engage with. If you have more than one Facebook account, you can choose, okay, this one, but not that one. Same with Twitter, same with LinkedIn, and everything else. So as you can see, yeah, yep, oh, yep. And then YouTube, don't have one in here. Instagram, nope. Instagram business, yep. So now I can save that. And now he will be able to engage. If we go back to here, he has a custom engagement. So he'll be able to engage on those that I chose, but not publish. So now he cannot publish to anything, but I can customize that as well. So if I have somebody who, say, I want them to be able to publish to my Twitter account, but I don't want them to have access to Facebook, well, then I will select Twitter and click Save. And now they have access to Twitter, but they don't have access to Facebook or anything else, to be honest. Now, if I really don't care what they have access to, I can change them to contributor. So, I mean, if I want to just let them have access to everything, just call them a contributor. And then additionally, if I think that someone should have admin access to this workspace, I can just switch them to an admin. Since this is just a testing workspace, I really don't care who has access to it. So I'm going to make him an admin, and now Adam, much like everybody else in here, he can do basically anything he wants in this workspace. Now, to show you something a little bit different, like give you another example. This is the workspace settings for and users for the VA's digital media engagement team's workspace. So as you can see, there are a core few that have publishing abilities. Mostly those are digital media engagement team members. Just about everybody else is nothing. Like, they don't have access to do anything. They are limited members and do not have access to publish or engage. They could still be useful. If somebody can't publish and can't engage, one thing that they can still do is run reports, add labels, create posts, and save them as drafts. They can't schedule them for publishing, but they can save them as drafts. And they can do various other things, but what they can't do is publish, and they cannot engage, so they won't be able to respond on behalf of your account. So that's how you schedule, or not, sorry, that's how you set up your permissions for various users inside of your workspace.